Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is a simple little card I'm making today. Isn't it cute? So let me show you what I did. Set that aside. I'm going to start off with our stamping. And I've got some scraps here of Whisper White. And the first thing I'm going to do is stamp our sentiment. And this is from the butterfly stamp set, which is called this one Butterfly Gala. We're going to use this that says thank you so very much, and we're also going to use a butterfly from here. So let me bring this here, ink up our set, a stamp, and I should have said I'm using Pretty Peacock ink. So there we go. I'm not happy with that, so I'm going to do it. That's why paper has two sides. I'm going to do it, just do it again. Just going to use this piece here, I think. Yeah, that's fine. So give this all a clean up, but you can see I've made a lovely mess. So using my wonderful simple chamois. I wouldn't want to be without this, it is so useful. Give the block a clean as well. So put that aside. Okay, and bring in our butterfly, which is this one here. And we're going to ink this up in Pretty Peacock as well. And we're going to just stamp that somewhere, like there. Hold it and up, lovely. Set that side there, set that down there, and then I'm just going to close this colour up because we've finished with the Pretty Peacock for now. I'm going to bring in here a piece of Whisper White that measures 14.35 centimetres by 10, and we're going to be using Coastal Cabana ink now. And the stamp set we're going to use is this one called Abounds rather. I'm going to use these images here. So I'm just going to stamp, and you're basically just going to ink up nicely. I always have more success doing it this way, to be honest. And you're just going to stamp randomly across the back. Okay, and then I'm going to fill in with just this little one here. Like that. Set that aside. Close this up. Bring back our butterfly, and we can punch this out now. So this is the butterfly duo punch. Really cool. Just line it up, punch both our butterflies out, set that aside. Now I have here a piece here of Pretty Peacock, and I have my sentiment, and I'm going to cut everything out using the Stitch So Sweetly die. So I'm going to put that through my machine and I'll be back. Everything's cut out, so now we can start sticking. So let's map this piece on our Pretty Peacock piece. And I do love this Pretty Peacock colour. It is really pretty, just as the name says. So our card base is again Pretty Peacock. So the standard A6 card base, that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then we're going to stick our Whisper White piece to that. Just like that. And then we're going to put this popped up, so let's get some dimensionals. Let's use the rest of this back. Make the most of what we have. Okay, one sheet finished, lovely. Now we can start a brand new sheet of dimensionals, which is just good. Okay, that should be enough. Give it a bit of a press down, take these backs off. Okay, and then we're just going to put this somewhere here, just like that. Get rid of these backings. My bin needs to be emptied as well. This is the 14th video that I've videoed in the last 2 days, so it's not surprising. And we're going to put up dimensionals on the back of our butterflies. So this one can take a large one, and then we'll have a baby one for the smaller one here. So I'm just gonna give the wings some dimension, some interest, and have that there. Then pull these up as well, just give them a little bit of interest, and maybe up there. And then I've got these gems here, and these are the butterfly gems, and we're going to use a few of these just to add a little bit more interest to the background. So these in the same colour, Pretty Peacock. So let's have one there, and we'll have one more small one over there. Okay, so they're the 2 cards. What do you think? Love them? Hate them? Let me know in the description box below. If you did like them, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, etc., it'll all be on the blog post, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the link to my Facebook group where I hold a virtual online monthly card club. The details can be found on my website, but please do check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!